Ano naman po ang divorce, no? Okay. So, ang divorce naman po, it is a decree by a court that a valid marriage no longer exists for causes that may have developed after the marriage celebration. Okay, so, ibig sabihin po ng divorce, may valid pong marriage. Okay? Pero, in the course of the marriage, nagkaroon po ng problema. Nagkaroon po ng grounds para yung valid marriage ideklara ng korte na invalid. No? So yun ho ang malaking diferensya. Sa divorce, at the start, walang problema ang marriage, valid marriage. Pero, in the course of the marriage, because of that, yung spouses, they go to court and have their marriage invalidated, no? So ano po ang resulta ng divorce? Ganon din po. Napuputol po yung marital bond, and then yung spouses are free to remarry. Yun naman po ang gusto ng mga taong nagpapa-divorce, no? Or karamihan po sa kanila na after the court has given a decree of divorce, then sabi nga nila, they have a new lease on life because both of them will be able to remarry. So, yun pong divorce, sa ibang bansa, meron tinatawag pong no-fault divorce. So, kahit na yung sinasabi lang irreconcilable differences, napaka-broad ho nun, di ho ba? So parang walang fault, there is no need for them to cite any grounds or to blame one another, no? They don't have to do that, no? So sasabihin lang nila irreconcilable differences. Ano ba irreconcilable differences? Hindi kami magkasundo. No? Hindi naman kinakailangan pang sabihin kung ano yung hindi pinagkasunduan and all that. So, yun po ang no-fault divorce. Meron naman pong fault-based divorce. Dito, may mga grounds po na provided ang batas at yun po ang pwedeng gamitin para humingi, no? Or mag-petition ng divorce sa korte. Okay. Now, yung foreign divorce decree, ito ho, sinasabi nila, may divorce na naman sa Pilipinas. Ang foreign divorce decree po, nangyayari ito kapag ang isang Pilipino ay nakapangasawa ng isang foreigner. Na yung foreigner na yon, ang kanyang bansa allows him or her to secure a divorce. No? So kung ngayon, yung foreign spouse obtains a divorce, yun pong divorce na yun is recognized, no? In the Philippine courts. Kasi sabi ng family code natin, kung hindi papayag, kung hindi recognize dito, kawawa naman yung Filipino, no? Kasi as far as the Filipino spouse is concerned, kasal pa siya, pero yung foreign spouse niya, may divorce na, no? So only in that case na when a Filipino spouse is married to a foreign or a foreigner, then the foreigner obtains a divorce based on his laws, no, on the laws of his country, then that divorce obtained in a foreign court may be recognized in the Philippine courts, no? And yung Filipino spouse, ganun din po, will be considered divorced also, and the Filipino spouse will also be free to remarry. Only in that case. So sa ngayon, yun lang po ang divorce na recognized, na pwedeng i-recognize ng Philippine courts. Now, so ano ho ang difference between annulment and divorce? Ang annulment, no marriage, no, from the start. or may defectong, serious defect at the start of the marriage, no? And that's why may reason to have it annulled, no? Or walang marriage to start with kasi yun nga, walang tinatawag nilang capacity or consent to start with. Pero in both cases, kinakailangan magpunta pa sa korte at humingi ng decree of annulment. Ang divorce naman po ay both spouses are legally and validly married, but they choose to legally terminate their marriage. So malaki po ang diferensya noon. Kasi sa divorce, may valid marriage, pero they decide, ayoko na. I cannot stand your face when I wake up in the morning anymore. So ayaw na kitang makita, gusto ko na lang ng divorce.